Welcome to Riotouch, a brand leader in high-tech educational technology solutions. Started in 2010, Riotouch had been providing interactive flat panels and interactive whiteboards to countless schools worldwide. With our mission to continuously create an interactive, fun, and creative solution for education as well as for corporate sector, Riotouch in-house R&D team design and develops unique software and hardware applications built for various industry applications. Riotouch currently offers capacitive and infrared touch interactive flat panels of various sizes, as well as other equipment for online conferencing. We also have a dedicated Android team for OEM/ODM solution, catered for our overseas partners. By working hand in hand with our partners, we had expanded our market coverage in different countries, bringing a high profit margin for everyone. Our production facility operates round the clock, ensuring a continuous supply of high-quality interactive flat panels worldwide. With our team spirit of think, do and use, we strive to create a more valuable employee development platform, with respect to individual commitments and performance above the standard for our industry. Riotouch, for your interactive education solution.